Okay, girls, try to look at page 40, task A. Read the example email and underline the useful expression the writer has used. As you may refer to my previous video, I have explained what does it mean or the sample or example of useful expression or useful phrases. So now I want you to identify what are the useful expression the writer has used in this email. Okay, for example, you may see in the very first line, one of the useful expression is "Hi Alice." Okay, give it a try and try to identify the rest of it. Okay, these are some of the useful expression being used by the writer. Okay, try to compare with yours.